Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Baby Official. Guys, thank you for the love and support. Thank you for the returning subscriber. I really appreciate you on that, guys. So wherever you are, I hope you're doing good, and I welcome you to today's vlog. It's a special day, and as you can see, guys, the weather is so conducive, and I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God for everything. And guys, you've been there watching my videos from the first up the end. I'm just struggling right and left to the center. So today's work, I'm heading to see the mason to come and roofing and all stuff. And after that, actually today I wanna work with two masons for the doors and for the roofing. And actually, guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. And today's videos, let me know in the comment section what did you think about today's videos, guys. It's an amazing. Woo. Guys, you show me some love from my bottom of my heart. I wanna say thank you a million. My God bless you, because one day I want to change this family to be on the next level. But guys, I can't complain. This is where I'm born and raised, you know. So like, no matter what, man. So guys, I don't want to complain on this, but you show me some love, you know. Too much love. Whew. Man, God is good all the time. And before you do anything, just believe in God. Just be trustful. Just be honest, kind, and patient, guys. And don't be the guy who cornering, guys. Straightforward. I'm just humble and honest and trustful, you know. Don't be untrustful. I'm saying I'm trustful. If you trust me, comment on the comment section, guys. Wow. But even right now, I see the reaction of my family, especially my mom. You know, since I was starting my project, my mom wondered where my son he can get money to continue the project. But guys, according to your support, of which I can't take your support for granted, but 100% I appreciate for your support, because I changed the family, man. I remember the stall back, because we have one toilet, and on this, my dad's family and nuclear and my grandma family, we have like 20 people on this community here. And then we have one room, one hall for the toilet, and one washroom. Imagine. So, like, when you go to the toilet, you find people inside. You must to hide on bushes. But God is good all the time. I'm trying to open the project over here, but it's other side. And then, guys, you'll be there watching my videos. I starting from scratch. Imagine. Up to now, or another way we said, starting from grass to grace. Imagine, I start from zero, guys, up to now here, and I can't pretend, guys. It's just your support over there. And may God bless you for those who are supporting me. May God bless you for those who are watching my videos. Thank you so much, because you show me some love, guys. So stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. So guys, it's early morning over here. You can look, we keep some chicks over here. The mother is surrounding here. And today we try to renovate the house of the cow, guys, inside here. And that's my brother. Try to scoop some red soil. And we renovate inside the room, even here. You can see, guys. Over here, you couldn't to cover these holes, guys. Yeah, and the cow being slipped here. Oh, guys, At the same time, my mom, she was milking the cow here. Oh man, this is the real life in our village here, and actually, it's a nice village. It's a nice village. Look, guys. Look. That's how my mom milked the cow. Yes, guys. So here, no machine for milking the cow. You use manual hand, like chwa, we go. So, and guys, don't forget today we do roofing for my modern toilet, guys. So and then automatic. Yeah, I'm telling him. Yeah, that's my vernacular language. I'm telling him to climb. Bing bam bam. Yeah. The milk, and that's how my mom milked the cow, guys. It's a beautiful cow by itself. You can see. Yeah, very beautiful. The calf is here, chilling and waiting. But when the time allowed, one day I could demolish this house, and I shall see, man. But for now, the cow are staying here. You can see even it's leaking water. It has some holes over there. Look at this. So they're on the process, and then the calf are sucking her mother. Their mother. Look at that. All right. Direct to the point. I've already taken the motorbike outside, and we need to arrange the progress for today. They have already carrying down shit outside, and it's early morning over here. So let's see the work for today. Man, I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God for everything. I'm here to appreciate you and all my fans. May God bless you. So you see the mason have already arrived, but he sent the kids to be here. So we just do it. Today, I think the roofing will be done. And where I'm going to reach, maybe I can fix 2 to 3 doors, and then I will remain with one. Let's see. And this is how my brother scoop the sand from here, take inside the house. So we try maybe at the same time to do to renovate maybe the house for the cow. We fill some gaps. And other side we brought some iron sheets to the construction. And not construction as small, any project it's construction. So we try to bring some iron sheets over here. Wow. So that's dome as 3 meters. Right, left at the center, all is good. Yes, so guys, yesterday we complete the front perimeter wall. Other people called porch. For me, let me know in the comment section. It's a porch or front perimeter wall. In other we call it the curtain. At least you see, guys. So the work for today is to put roofing, and then they wanna put here some concrete because to attach this point, and this point, and that's the reason why we left this one. So this yesterday work, man, and it's so huge. Let me stand this side. At least you can tell in the comment section. So technically, I had on the comment section, hello baby, just put doors, and then left maybe the front porch. We call porch this one, or front perimeter wall. And for I myself, at least I do stuff which are good one as a while. So like for now, when I put into the door, man, all right, doors need maybe inside the privacy, but when you coming out, I don't want maybe people to see. Oh, maybe if you want to button your shirt, no one who can see you there, or your trouser, no one who can see you there. So because we put this perimeter wall here, and you can see by itself, it's from that far end. They finished yesterday, but it's so late yesterday. The work is going good, guys, and I can't complain. So after that, let me take you at the back. So this is the entrance, you can see. So here, from here, this surface here, we put some D10 around, or D12 around, go up to that way, and then you put here some concrete you smear for maybe when it's rain it can't spoil the bricks. And then it came at this angle here, and the other side like that way. So here, and then at the down here we have the gap. So all this part here we done the tiling inside only, but outside we done the style called, we done the keys. So yesterday the mason told me we done the keys, the front one, and then you paint. So and then I think here is where they put some concrete going to other side. So today's they wanna join this place from here up to there, smear the concrete from that far end, from here going that way, and then cut across branch. Wow guys, so after that I'm going to look for the mason. Maybe he can measure maybe door number 1, door number 2, and then when I get money soon, I shall finish complete putting some doors. But right now I think I have the money for 2 doors, 2 to 3, and let me see, by God's grace, guys. Wow. And guys, I must show you all process that I'm doing, and all situations that I'm passing through maybe on my project, but I can't complain. It's a nice. So today we cover the roofing, and then I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you for those who are watching my videos. Kindly continue on that spirit, support me until the end. Man, I want to change my family in terms of lifestyle. I want to change them, and the good thing about in my village here, I do things on myself, no competition, no compete by each other. So I do where I can do, man. For right now, I think 70% the toilet's coming up, man. And for those who are watching my videos, watch from the first up to the end, don't skip ads. And maybe for the new subscriber, just hit the button on, watch the video for full length, and you enjoy my vlog for today, guys. That's how I do. So I'm going to Nyabohansi. Actually, I'm going to Nyabohansi Center to purchase the, we call the wall pass for attachment of the timber, and some nails for the roofing, things like that, I think. So I'm heading there to purchase, and it's early morning. Let me check the African time before I leave here. Well guys, just a minute. Just a minute, guys. I wanna check the Afghan time. Look, it's 8:44. Again, 8:44 a.m. So that's the Afghan watching time, and I've already wake up, guys. So I want to arrange the progress of my project here. So right, left of the center, I'm just working everywhere. For example, right now, as I told you, I'm heading to Nyabohansi to the hardware to purchase roofing nails. We called for hammering in the iron sheet and the wall pass. When I'm saying the wall pass, is this stuff here for attachment of the timber. I think so, guys. So kindly, guys, stay with me, enjoy my vlog as I'm moving on, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video for today. Kindly give a like, comment, and also guys, share. So let me check the sand, and I think maybe, oh my god, maybe it can finish my plastering or not yet. So I want to see. This is how my home looks like. My dad's home, my grandma's home. These are our chicks here everywhere, but others, it's for my grandma. So I want to check the sand. Maybe it can push in terms of plastering, tiling. I want to see them. I want to check them. Hey, African cow. It's grazing over here. Hey. Wow. The balance, it's enough. So I want to ask the mason, maybe the sand, it can be enough for plastering both inside and outside. Yeah. So this is the stone here. Let's draw another side. So I will remaining with this sand here. So I want to ask him, maybe it can use both plastering inside and outside. We remain with some few. These are like 15 wheelbarrows, if I'm not wrong. And I want to tell that guy to squeeze this sand here from other side, bring this side here, because we use a lot of money to purchase some sand. Man, we use a lot of money, but it's okay. So I need maybe some suggestion from the mason whether the sand it can finish plastering and tiling, even skirting. Wow. So let's go, guys. Keep moving on me. Enjoy today's vlog. It's an amazing one. Right, you can see, hey, Afghan cock. Look. Boy, so guys, I'm just here at Village Grandpa Hardware, and I need to purchase some. That's what made me smart. Yeah, yeah, also okay. Yes, guys. So I help him with 2 wheelbarrows for the balance stones. Na kilombi cha binding wire. Kilo moja na nusu. Yeah, this I need the 1.5 kg and 2 kg for the you calling what? Welding pass. Ni yako pa nani?
Sene will pass wakati binding yante.
Ntamanya mabira bako pa hebo kote merichi mbavarapo. Neno.
Eranta.
Ichi para pa hichi mbao.
Wall pass.
And the wall pass. So we just over here, and I'll make a calculation, guys. Even you can measure there. So guys, if the nets here, and I'm heading home right now. I came from the hardware, so I purchased the nets just over here. Wrap them back. We call it wall pass for the holding of the timber, guys. So here I go. Here we go. Here we go. Well, guys. Oh guys, so I reached home. I left my jacket over here. So this is the stuff that I went in Yabuhansa, guys, for the roofing. Oh, God is good all the time, man. Sure, God did it again. So you see, this is the timber for yesterday. Ulisema misumari kilo 1.5 kilo? Kilo 2.
Hizo ni 2 au ni 1.5?
Tulisema kilo 2.
Sawa tu. Hayo maana nini? Sawa.
Zimepinda, ni mbichi zilikuwa. And at the same time, the work that have been going on is here. You see, guys, so they wanna put some concrete inside. Oh, what's up?
Tumalizane na juu kwanza ndio tuhamia hapa.
Oh guys, so this is my tea here, and I need to have my breakfast. So today I want to have my breakfast as early as now, guys. We must this here. Alright, so we're heading outside and I need to wash my hand. Man, I need to take breakfast earlier as now. Wow. So today it's early morning over here, and that's my mom over here. Mom, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, she was roasting some maize here. This is the roasted maize, man. And the crazy thing about our hens in our village here, here you cook, here there's some chicken. It's laying egg, look. Oh, yes, I was looking at the cow. My mom. I'm gonna wash my hand inside here. Yes, guys. So I want to drink water. Don't mind. Please don't mind. Wow, this is how our kitchen looks like. And I feel like I want to take some water. I take some water. Let me put, I want to put the tea here, the milk tea, and oh man, that's my bread over here. So we have strong breakfast and then we move on, because I was working right, left at the center, man. So I need to take strong breakfast as you move, man. The tea over here, bread. Oh. Guys, so my mom is chopping the watermelon, give to my sister because she was sick, and we have another one here. So even me must maybe take some fruit, man. And it's right in car, right in car. It's like Valentine's Day. I wear the red. Different was the cape I'm having. Even some fruit is red, guys. And it has a lot of seeds. Wow. This is my neighbor's car over here. It's grazing, but other side we're being putting chemical on other garden, all sham, all the farm in other way. Wow. When by God grace next year Valentine reach, it is on February, I mean date 14. I want to celebrate my first maybe Valentine, but I know in general we celebrate all over the world. We celebrate Valentine, but today it's Hello Baby's Valentine alone. I'm just maybe update my date maybe. Wow. So guys, I came at Nyabuhanse here to take the measurement of the doors of my toilet, guys, over this carpenter here. Let's go. I go and then I came back, guys. This is my motorbike. So guys, I brought the carpenter here. I want to take the measurement for the toilet's door and washroom. Whew. So let's see the work for today. And don't forget, the roofing is going. There. Sasa kwamba utatengeneza frame atapiga tu. Pima tu.
Fundi. Naam, nimekuona. Na mimi nimekuona wangu.
Guys, and the roofing is going, so you can see. And the purpose of purchasing some wall pass is to touch this timber here. So guys, I'm heading to Border Town to look for the frames and timber for making doors. So just here we go. Oh guys, look at this. Border town here. So guys, in case you're new here, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about the fort giant. police here, police post. Look at this. Okay, just want to choose some timbers here, and this is the garage over here. So let me know in the comment section. Oh. This is some machine. You're making this. So guys, I left that guy to choose some timbers and to do everything and smoothness. So the timber is just over here, timber yard, and actually this is Bora Town. In case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Wow guys, let's go. So guys, I think this is my frame over here for my toilet and all stuff. Wow. Check it out. So I'm heading inside. Uja mamenda. Wambura. Hochi. Number. Usharan. Yes. Kwa nini ulikuwa unasema za nani?
Nataka nipeleke hizi frame kwanza. Weke, nirudi sasa kukata hizo za mlango. So guys, we head home to fix this frame, and after fixing the frame, tomorrow morning the work shall be going on installation of the doors, both of them, and then the following day plastering, man. So I don't think so slowly. So this is the frame here, and I will take back home. They wanna fix it and everything. So after fixing the frame, gonna come and join the doors and hinges. Alright, so we arrange here, and then because of the cost of the income, at least my motorbike is as a means of transport and all stuff. So we tighten them. Yeah, we make it no rotek.
You can look at one of
Oh,
but if
and bakoro teme kebat.
in the Russia, think about it,
Guys, comment on the comment section. I might take another motorbike or to sit here, and then we go. Crazy adventure. All right, so let's go. People complaining about that.
Oh. Maize corn over there. Hey. For the maize corn. So guys, I think the roofing is going on, and I want to show you the progress I mean. So you look guys, look at the back. So it's not reaching here, it can reach at this point, and they want to start cutting them. So at the same time there is some installation of the frame of the door is going on here. Whew. Mbona chini chambari kale tora wapi hivi
hapa si tunaunganisha na hii mlango wako utakuja kuonga kwa imba
gani lazima ukate hapa uweke hii funike hii sitaki kitu ionekane
sawa ina shida
saidia msumeni ndogo ndio hapo mimi nafanya kitu kabisa
sawa.
Guys, there is some installation of the frame going on here. Look, this is for here. Bado kanda ya sokiri si wiki.
Atumia kipindio.
Ngo tuande kimuchiso cha Roma chikundikiri hayo chirakunda sasa fino iganta tunavyoonekana. So as I'm telling him I don't want to see this on the mosquito. Yep, so let's go outside. Ooh. I'm working the job I've been done here two at the same time. Roofing, installation of the frame. And let me check my mom over here. Good dog. Okay, boy. I want to check my mom over here, guys, with my sister. So my sister have been given some porridge here, but they don't want to take the porridge. So she was sitting here watching. Wow. Namenge para are mono gihire nyumba.
Ngo chenchi hivi
Tahira ambe nyumba ndachihire mugoro. Yes. Wow. So I'll show you how they wanna fix some iron sheets all done for the roofing and all stuff. Whew. Africa, Kenya. Guys, let me show you the first installation of the roofing. Waziri utazipunguza mida
zinene
uko kama zishafika
hizo nitazipunguza.
Okay. Wow guys. Unaigeuza? Geuze. Bahati sio dumu za zikae ndani.
Unataka hivyo?
Sinadhani hapo ndo pana kuwaka nje. Sasa babako ungempa kimfuko yake hapo hivi. Some nets over here. Igeuze tu.
Unataka hivyo? Sasa? Unaona nilipopokea maji, huu mgongo ulivyopokea maji, ndio unatakiwa uanzie hapo mwanzo. Labda nipe Nipe lingine.
Hivyo. So guys, let me grind here. Oh, shoot. Yes. The transformation over here. Yanafanana yote. Hivyo hivyo tu. Mpate, leta msumari, mpe. Mpe apigirie sasa, atageuza.
Asipige saa hizi, nataka niliegeshe kwa msumari niteremke chini nianze kuangalia video. Haya, simama huko Yusuf. Nikwambie jambo. Uhakikishe bati mgongo umefuata ukuta hivi. Mgongo ufuate ukuta.
And I know the Jamaican, we call this a zinc. It's a doomsday. So 332 gauge. Yup. You know, from people from Jamaica, we call this the zinc. But here we call Africa.
Sio kwamba nivute. Unaona uangalie mgongo mingapi ime.
Let's go. And see for the first progress of hammering the iron sheet. Sasa unajua kishaika hivyo ni kupiga tu. Sio kudharau mwanasehemu. Over here. Hey guys, there is tricky situation here between the pipe here. Let me see. Hey. You want to fix it. Guys, let me show you on the other side. They want to cut that iron sheet or the zinc and to fix it into the between the pipe and the other side. So I want to show you. Oh man, you see it's already done. So tomorrow we fix the door and then we put the other side here. So it's tricky situation, you see.
we come this side. They want to fix and then from the top come down. Guys, we're just here chilling with my sister. Chilling with my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, guys. She was feeling sick. Tumekura. Utakura ugali. Mtandaoni sana. Namba 7 ndogo.
Ile kubwa. Gambo ikikubana ni mbaya.
Okay guys, it's lunch time and promise the mason maybe tomorrow morning I'll purchase for him some gumboot new one because he was working for my construction without gumboot. Kesho ni wewe tu. Ni ufundi mwingine sijui. Ni wewe tu.
Sawa.
Hai. Guys, so let me have some lunch time and then I think I could end my videos. So I was promised my mason tomorrow morning I'll buy for him new gumboot for safety the life. Mom! Yeah, nipe lunch. Yes. Unakura? Yes guys, I'm telling you. No. So mom is chopping some kales, the another one. So let me have lunch inside here. This is the kales over here, means maweki. And then the meat over here. Neboni amekula? Hayari? Yes guys. I want to check my sister. At least guys, your friend is taking food for the first time. Like 4 days back, she didn't take anything. Yes, you see? She's continuing eating guys. Unakura? Yes, at least. You know, when you are sick and you take a little bit of ugali, it gives you energy. Whew. Let me see. This African coke. So I want to wash my hand inside here. Oh guys, welcome to lunchtime. These kales we have meat here, 2 slices, and this white ugali. But as soon I wanna prepare meat fry for my family guys soon. Oh guys, so welcome to my channel. So it's evening over here. Actually I want to take my sister for the next injection. Yesterday we made for the first injection and right now we take her to the next injection. So there's a new wheelbarrow and stuff guys, wheelbarrow and spade. So let's check her outside. And yeah boy, 20. I want to take her for the second injection, and then she told me to buy her some yogurt and oranges. So, alright, say hello to your friend.
Hello.
Yes, I want to buy you yogurt and oranges. Boom, let's go. Oh guys, so stay tuned. Oh guys, so we're just outside with my sister at the back. As I told you, I'm taking her to the hospital for the second injection. So we are heading this way. Yeah, the thorn fence over here. And kindly guys, this is where my sister lands. Let me show you. Over here. And right now she makes some painting of the gates. You can see Minister of Education Reverend David Westcog, comprehensive school, junior school, primary school, and ECD, I don't know, PO Box 57. So this is where I learn and 90% most of the YouTubers learn here, and also my sister. Hey. Samaria, una mteja? Nataka mtoto nimemrudisha kwa shindano. Ama una mtu?
Papa.
Yes, for the second injection.
Ndio nimevumilia. I've been waiting for her for a long time.
Yes, because I was so busy.
Oh.
Okay, mchome shindano.
Nakuja
patio doa chani maliza hivi. Nimnunulie matunda.
Haya.
Yes, usisumbue daktari. Yes, guys. So guys, I want to buy for my sister's yogurt and some oranges in this town here. Sara kwa wapi? Amna matunda leo? There's no some oranges here. Wakoro. I'm usually kunya. Guys, this is mother to Gake mother. Yato makino go sana. Amachunga kurigira msibati. Yes. Amachunga. Wana wakakutoya mama. No kiare trive. So I go around looking for my sisters. Some oranges. Mama makanga. Ile ngo kubiri miri. Yena. Ngurani tanchanga. Ile ngambe. Ngambiri mwisho. Tiribirike. Tunango atataruni ngyo kore. Guys, I want to buy for my sisters watermelon. Irenga ma. Wana henda ari mukiri. Ngora ari mukiri. Eh. Mohe kera kene hakiri. Ke keno. Kya kya mga tango pergetai. Nenda ako turu kimking or kutensa ko. Tawa. Tiango re nicho kusokire hano. Pana ngitikora tora mukiri. Ni kugura yogurt machungwa tana machungwa. Mama machungwa. Kibanda ke mwisha. Akira. Wange kwa hata hano re miti kichano. Unabishana na serikali. Oh guys, so I came later to pick some oranges. No, some watermelon. I'm going to see the oranges. And today's a market day, you can see. It's a market day, man. These are dump sites over here. Wow. So let's go. I'm heading yesterday's place over here. And I want to see the oranges. Mama Morris, machungwa mbana haya kwa jamani? Haya. Shingapi? Mbao moja. Haya niweke ya 100. Okay. Yes guys. So yes. Hapa. Umo tu man. So to get some oranges here. Na watermelon mnauzaje? 200. Okay. Mom, sidi na yogurt dada. Kubwa. Shingapi? Okay, nipe. Yes guys, I want to purchase for my sister's yogurt. Hii ndio nzuri kwa watoto. Okay. Yes guys, the watermelon for my sister yogurt, and I need to make the payment for yesterday. Nilibaki na zangu ngapi samaki? 700 from the man. Then nilibaki. Yeah. That's 700.
Yeah, this is 700.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yes guys.
Yeah.
Tuende nyumbani. So finally guys, we're back home after the hospital, and that is my sister with her shopping. So we take her for the second injection. So tomorrow, by God's grace, she wants to finish the third injection. Right. So guys, keep it locked.
Okay guys, so I finished taking lunch, and I want to say thank you so much for those who are watching my videos. Kindly show me some love, comment, and also guys, share my videos. There's my sister. She went to take shower and then went for the third, and I want to say last needle. Last needle. I want to say last needle. So guys, before that, let me show you the final result of the roofing. So it's time maybe to take the utensil for the lunch over here. So I want to show you the rust's final result. This is the front perimeter wall. So today we do two things at the same time. Imagine, two things at the same time: roofing at the same time, installation of the we call it this frame door. And then tomorrow morning the owner came, and after putting the door, they wanna fix another one here to cover these wall pads. Don't forget, the same time, plastering going tomorrow morning by God's grace. I wanna say thank you so much for those who are supporting me on this project. Thank you so much, and for those who are watching my videos, I wanna say thank you so much. May God bless you. So you see the work, you have done framework, both of them, and tomorrow's work at time like this, you wanna fix some doors. So they wanna start plastering on this and this, and technically inside, and then went outside. So tomorrow we'll fix door. Fundi obati tatosha? Aye. So fundi means mason at the same time. So let me climb here. Maybe you can see the Moita. Takenya mona tirisim. Yes, so I'm calling my brother. He was calling Moita to bring my phone because I take my phone to charge or charging. Oh no. Oh. So I want to put this stuff outside, and I show you. Oh my god. Whew. See, like this is the ladder here. I wanna put here. Oh. Hey. It's crazy by itself. So guys, I wanna say thank you so much because we finished roofing today. You can see. Tell me in the comment section. Look at that. And that is the outside pipe. So they wanna do for installation, everything, and then they smear some concrete cement on the pipe round. It's just like circular, like cylinder in other way. So roofing, we done, guys. We done. In terms of roofing, we done. Yes. Wow, guys. We done roofing, guys. Hey. Yes. Woo. So sorry for that, guys. I was looking for the thumbnail, and yesterday I prepared the land for my grandma. Look even at the back, and maybe the remaining things are we calling ventilation. So, and then after plastering, we done we call fisher board. we put at the back for decoration. Woo. Man, God is good all the time. God is good. God is good. God is good. Yep, guys. God is good. Even my toilet take a shape. Right now, it's safe. Woo. Muito tempo dadíssimo. So guys, I want to say thank you so much, and I want to end my video by saying thank you so much, guys. So I'm heading this way, and although it's lunchtime, but I will finish taking lunch. So guys, show me some love. I can't take things for granted. I'm here to appreciate you, and I think I could end my video here by saying let's meet for the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.